You may find this useful. All of a sudden, my iPhone 11 just suddenly went off immediately, and I press everything, nothing is coming up. So to quickly put it on, press the button up once, and press it down once, then hold on the power button. Okay, it's not coming up, so I have to do it again. 1, 2, press long of the power button. Sometimes it might take a while. Okay, you can see it's up. So this can help you, this can save you, at least in case you're in a place where you need to call and your phone is not coming up all of a sudden. So this is iPhone 11. Let's wait for it. You can see it's up, so you can slide it. So if you like more video like this, don't forget to subscribe.